Digital transformation is real across every industry. It's driving changes in the way we engage our customers and the nature of our products and services. It's forcing every company to rethink their processes. And as companies do that, industries are literally reorganizing. Transformation isn't easy, but it's absolutely necessary for all companies to compete and remain relevant. We have developed Microsoft Catalyst, an innovative approach to help businesses conceive and realize their most ambitious priorities. Catalyst facilitates business transformation, employing the full breadth of Microsoft Dynamics 365 and the Microsoft Cloud. It is based on our IDEA framework, which encapsulates proven service offerings across the 4 key areas: inspire, design, empower, and achieve.
Microsoft Catalyst seeks to help our customers understand and prepare for disruptive changes that can impact your business. We do this through a series of activities that are likely more holistic and progressive than you would do on your own or that maybe you're even accustomed to. But by incorporating broadly accepted concepts from Harvard Business School, McKinsey, and others, we identify what digital disruption means for your organization and your customer value proposition. Engaging a diverse set of stakeholders through envisioning techniques opens the conversation to produce creative and meaningful ways to modernize how things are done while solving for the why and quantifying the business value. And when we bring all of this together, the result is an actionable plan that aligns around your digital story.
Microsoft Catalyst begins with strategy development activities. These are designed to help us understand company priorities and to ideate on how technology can help activate the digital feedback loop, the seamless connection between your customers, people, products, and operations, enabling your digital transformation. Once defined, we move from strategy to solutioning through an envisioning workshop. This design thinking session is a proven approach, combining creative and critical thinking, fostering ideation, and organizing those ideas to drive decision-making and situational improvement. We employ this approach with you to envision a future state. The output is the observation model, validating the digital feedback loop.
Now we investigate existing processes and technologies and begin to shape our perspective on organizational readiness for the future state. We align these to our global and industry benchmarks and define measurable business impact like quantified customer engagement improvements, a representation of solution costs, and key measurements like revenue growth, cost saving, and potential employee efficiency improvement. Our plan now starts to illustrate the path forward by prioritizing solution components based on business impact.
This is where everything comes together. What makes Microsoft Catalyst unique is the way in which we communicate that path forward, by creating visual assets and immersive experiences that you can use to tell your digital story throughout your organization. Who is affected? And what is the experience? How will you address change and mitigate risk? And what is the expected, quantifiable business impact? These are all components of the digital strategy and an executive discussion where Microsoft and your organization align on commitments and partnership.
And now we shift from envisioning to execution. And this is where Microsoft expands the team to include resources to facilitate change, technical deployment, and measure the value that's realized by the success of the solution.
Many organizations have a strong need for a technology partner who can help them prioritize where to start investing and rethink how digital may transform their business. Microsoft Catalyst fills that role.